our product presenter for tonight, our Diamond 3-star, Sir Al Cedillo.
So I am a nurse, but I haven't practiced my profession more than 10 years. Kasi nung nag-OFW po ako, iba po yung naging job description ko. I worked before as a, ano ba yung specialty ko? Nakalimutan ko. Here in the Philippines, I specialize in emergency. And then when I got my job abroad, ang naging specialty ko naman doon is more of establishing casualty evacuation. I work in the Ministry of Defense, the foreign government, ayaw ko lang i-mention. No? And then, I spent 10 years there. No? So, working in those environment, no? Nagkaroon ako ng injury sa likod, sa tuhod. And then after 10 years, I call it quits. Sabi ko, it's either I will spend the rest of my career until retirement dun sa Middle East, or I will come back here to the Philippines para mag-business to be with my family. Kasi yung wife ko naman kasi hindi pwedeng sumunod sa akin doon. May iwan ang kanyang career at saka yung profession niya dito since she's a doctor. No? So hindi siya makapag-practice doon. So, in 2018, to make the short story long, I decided to come back. No? And then, I was given the opportunity ng mother-in-law ko to take the product. So, out of respect, tinry ko. And then, my knee that is due for surgery, hindi po siya na-operahan. No? So, dahil sa partial tear of my meniscus. No? And then, alam mo natin, pag kami nalitid, sa tuhod, no? Matagal siya maghilom. And most likely, kadalasan po, nawi sa total na mapupunit, ang remedy po niyan is surgery. No? So, yan, that's the reason now why I am here. No? And then, kanina, may narinig ako kung taga Mindanao. Sino taga Mindanao dito? Daghan? No? I am born and raised in Iligan City. Next to Cagayan. Sa Amis. Kuratong. So, yes. Ako naman, dito ako nakapag-asawa. Because once nag-graduate ako ng nursing, dito na ako pumunta. No? Thinking, nandito yung the side of the pasture is greener here. Mas greener pala yung abroad. And then, nung nakalbo yung abroad, bumalik ako dito. No? What I miss about Mindanao, no? Yung mga prutas. No? Durian, mangustin, marang, no? Napakasarap. Ang paborito doon, lanzones. No? I lived in Iligan, and I used to travel to Compostela Valley. Madadaanan ko yung Camiguin. Yung number 1 ng lanzones producer na pinakamasarap sa buong Pilipinas. Alam mo ba yun?
Yes.
Nung bata pa ako, no? I was 18 or 19 at that time. Madadaanan namin yan along the highway. Stall by stall. 20 stalls. Yan. So gagawin namin, pupunta kami sa 20, lalakarin namin ng 20 hanggang 1, tikim-tikim. Pagdating mo ng 1, sold ka na. No? So yung bibili mo, pampasalubong na lang. No? Yun ang technique doon, ha? Pagka yung napunta Mindanao. Para naman doon, so kung matamis ba o hindi, meron din silang style. Sabi ko, meron silang technique. Pagbukas mo ng karton, nilalanggam. Sabi ko, sir, pinakamatamis, nilalanggam na tamis. Pero pagdating ko sa iba, meron isa doon walang langgam. Sabi ko, ayos to, ba't walang langgam? Sabi nga, alam mo sir, dati marami yan. Problema, lahat namatay. Nagka-diabetes. Kaya sa itin, sabi ko, talagang dingin diabetes. Nasa isip at puso ko yun, indelible mark. No? Kinakatakutan. And lo and behold, in 2019, lumabas yung World Health Organization report at listed ang diabetes sa number 6. Tama pala yung ano, no? Vendor. So ito po, dito sa railway, tawag nila, death sentence without committing any crime. Malaki ang relationship ng langgam at saka diabetes. Alam mo ba yun? Yes. There are some people, mas nauna pang alaman ng langgam na may diabetes yung tao kaysa sa tao mismo. Nilalanggam yung ihi. No? Yun po isang signs na mismo nasaksihan ko. No? Tito ko ganon. Alam kong nandun siya sa bahay pag nilalanggam yung CR namin. And unfortunately, 2 years ago, he passed away due to complications. No? Ang complications niya, going up, itong stroke, heart disease, then, lucky for him, hindi siya nagkaroon ng tuberculosis. When I was practicing nurse here in the Philippines before, most of our clients, patients, 60 above, pag nakatira yan sa squatter na may diabetes, may kasamang tuberculosis yan. No? So magkaklase parati yan. No? So what is the reason? No? Aside from economic, one is aging population. Habang tumatanda po tayo, nagkakaroon tayo ng wear and tear na ating mga cells. Nag-start yan sa cells, nagiging organ, nagkaroon ng organ failure, hanggang sa tayo ay mag-expire, no? Then, wrong diet. Kadalasan kasi, lalo na ngayong panahon, mabilis ang pabilisan, no? Alis ka ng 6 o'clock to avoid 7 o'clock rush hour, traffic. Puro instant na, instant coffee, drive-thru, Jollibee, McDonald's, no? So, tapos pag na-late at na-traffic, nagkaroon na ng stress, no? Then, babiyahe ka pa along EDSA, no? Matindi ang volume, traffic. So this all can cause this deadly illnesses, no? That has reached bottleneck crisis. Meaning to say, despite advancement of our technology, nangyayari, itong mga health problems na to, nagpapalit-palit lang yan every year ng ranking. No? Heart disease, stroke. Before, wala tayong cirrhosis. Ngayon, meron ng cirrhosis. Sometimes, di po ba, ba't kayo nagsisirrhosis, hindi naman lakas minum ng alak. Mataas din ang sugar. It could also lead to cirrhosis. Cirrhosis naman, it could also lead to cancer. No? Liver cancer. So, yun po yung komplikasyon niya. But, parang nagugulat lahat, no? Natatakot, no? Don't worry, nasa Railway International tayo. Supplement that contains stem cell, no? Saan po pagaling ang stem cell? May idea po ba? Wala. Okay. Stem cell, sabi nila, is the most basic form of all living organs. No? Unlimited treatment, boundaries, and miraculous. Bakit? No? Stem cells start with a single ovum, no? Na-fertilize ng sperm, no? Napakaliit, no? It become the first stem cell. And this stem cell, no? Undifferentiated, meaning to say, wala pa siyang title, wala siyang identity, no? If you will allow it to develop, it will form into blastocysts, no, young cells, and then further, it will develop into more than 300 different types of stem cells, no, maging intestinal, yung organs natin, liver, heart. So meaning to say, yung tao, lahat ng living things ay gawa sa stem cells. Ngayon po, going back dun sa mga chronic diseases natin, no, anong nasisira doon? Organs, no? Nag-start sa cells. So, dito po, pag organ cells ang nasisira, anong pampalit? Yes, cells din, no? Like for example, sabi nung isa, pag nasira ang semento, papalitan ng semento, no? Pag nasira kahoy, papalitan ng kahoy, no? Kaya yung kakilala ko, nagka-fracture, sabi ng anak, sisimintuhin, sabi ng lola, sabi ng anak, mali po yun, Lola. Lagyan muna natin ng bakal bago simintuhin. Di ba? So this discovery of stem cell has not gone unnoticed, no? There are several publications that mention its potential, no? Time Magazine, familiar po tayo, no? itong The Straits Times, no? Singaporean magazine, na long before meron na itong reputation. No? So, when this publication is published, yung potential na stem cells, do you think it's credible? Of course, hindi po yan magpapublish ng fake news, no? Kasi lahat ngayon, makukuha natin sa internet, lahat yung mapapag-aralan. Even without yung mga nababasa natin sa internet, we can judge ourselves na itong product na ito ay totoo, no? So, ang sabi lang, unstoppable medical science trend and greatest revolution of medicine emerged, no? Kasi ang medicine, ang panggagamot po ay dynamic po yan, hindi po yan tumitigil, no? Before, nasabi nila, okay ang cholesterol, no? Fats. Tapos may research, may magkakaproblema ka sa puso. Tapos tinanggal yung fats dun sa food, pinalit, pangit ang lasa. So ginawa na, nilagyan ng sugar. Ngayon, nag-shoot up ang obesity, no? Mga diseases related to sugar, no? So, what are the methods in receiving the benefits of stem cell, no? Napapansin po nyo lahat ito, placenta injection, transplant, cord blood banking, placenta injection, adult stem cells. These are all invasive, no? Invasive, tinuturok, no? Kaya isa sa mga problema dito, like for example, placenta injection in beauty salons, ang risk po niyan, infection, number 1. So, di mo alam kung yung nag-conduct ng injection, nag-aral sa recto, no? Nag-training sa baklaran, no? Yan ay isa sa mga concern. Din saan galing po yung stem cell ko, no, na ini-inject, no? Kung gusto mo naman ng medyo high-end, punta tayo sa Switzerland, no? Before pandemic, bago ka pupunta dyan para bigyan ng injection, we'll undergo screening kung viable candidate ka. And it would cost you around 800,000. Screening pa lang po yun, no? Pagka hindi ka pumasa, goodbye 800, no? So, this all, may kanya-kanya yan pong pros and cons, no? The first two, expensive. Yung cord blood banking naman, yung mga nandito ba, yung mga puso dun, tabi nyo ba yung pinangalan kayo? Ha? Wala na? Baka mamaya yung puso niya, nagkapalit-palit pa ng kapatid, mga pinsan, no? So, these are chance already. And isa naman, itong healthy lifestyle. Parati itong gas-gas na ito, healthy lifestyle, adequate sleep, diet, no? Stress-free. Meron po ba dito hindi na-stress? Never kumain sa Jollibee? Meron akong mga leaders na nakikita dito, nandun sa Jollibee. No? So, lahat ito, effective in persistence. But is there any convenient and affordable way? No? Meron po ba? Tutulong niyo yung iba So, our product is oral stem cells and how it has become possible, no? The company used this technology, no? 6 technologies, no? Nadagdag itong supercritical extraction. Supercritical extraction is just a manner of extraction. Up to 99% of the raw materials na extract, no? So, isang advantage nito, less ang tapon. So, ito ay kasama sa natawag nilang sustainability, no? And then, freeze drying, they remove yung precious ingredients, frozen, dried, pero bioavailable, no? Buhay, no? The nitrogen field technology just simply remove the oxygen because it can cause oxidation, bacterial growth, no? And replace it with nitrogen. Marami namang dito na, hindi po ba masama yung nitrogen na yan, ipapalit sa oxygen? Well, there is a medical grade nitrogen. And this, yung content naman ito, hindi gan kadami. No? Within safe levels naman. Kasi pumasal tayo sa Bureau of Food and Drugs. No? Then, isa sa mga important is enteric coated. Yung capsule natin is specialized yung coating that it can withstand stomach acid. No? Kasi pagka yung ating any supplement or medicine na natutunaw sa ating stomach, mabababa ang efficacy. No? Whereas stem cell, you need to take it alive so that it can offer regeneration and repair. No? So isa to sa mga importante. No? Kasi ang stomach is full of acid. And stomach is part of your digestion. Small intestine, where absorption of vitamins, minerals, dyan po nangyayari. And this small intestine, alkaline ang environment niya. No? Then emulsification technology, dito po ay it will allow larger molecules to be absorbed doon sa pathway na yun, no? Dito sa micro pathway, pang gano'n. Medyo technical, kahit ako hindi ko intindihan. Pero in short, yung pathway na yun, readily absorb yung mga water-soluble and fat-soluble materials, no? Then, biosoft technology, it ensures rapid dissolution of the ingredients when it reach the small intestine. So, mas mabilis yung pagka-dissolve, mabilis ang absorption, mabilis din siya, may offer ng repair kung saan may damage na organ. No? So, ladies and gentlemen, no? Our product contains deer placenta. No? Tinatanong bakit deer? No? Deer and human have around 98% biocompatibility. So least likely nagkaroon ng chance na tawag nito, adverse reaction or tinatawag nila na allergic reaction. No? Then, deer, in ancient Chinese traditional medicine, ang deer had offered yung kanyang from head to foot may medicinal value. And it is considered also as one of the cleanest animal. Kasi kinakain niya is good pasture lang, ayaw niya yung bad. No? In fact, dito, I have a friend who used to hunt deers, no? As a sport in Hawaii. Pag na-miss daw niya yung deer, makatalon, hindi niya tamaan, tatakbo. After 1 week, aabangan niya lang yun kasi babalik at babalik siya kung saan siya kumakain. No? So meron siyang specific criteria sa kanyang food. No? Yan. Then, ito. So, the second edition of Portier Placenta contains, di ba po, sino po ba nakakatake dito ng 6th edition? May iba pa nag-start ng 5th, 6th, no? 9, 7. Maganda po ba? Yes! Maganda? Yes! Oo, di nga. Yes, no? So, ang ginagawa ng competitor, ano? Kung ikaw competitor, anong gagawin mo? Maganda yung gagayahin mo. No? Sa Riway, nakita na nila ahead of time. So what they did, they patent these precious ingredients. Di po ba clever yung may-ari? No? Cervicenta is the purest deer placenta, 100 mg is to 1 capsule from New Zealand using supercritical extraction. No? Ito po ay source ng mismong placenta, deer placenta. At saka meron tayong male stem cell coming from Belvicenta. Ito naman po yung sa sungay ng deer. No? This also offers the same repair, pero kasi meron siyang other components na pwedeng combined with Cervicenta, pwede tayong gumawa ng baby deer sa laboratory. No? Di ba miraculous yun? And then we have also ginseng. In ginseng, before, alala ko yung lolo ko, nag-take nito. No? To enhance memory. No? Lalaban sa sakit ng pagkalimot. What we have, ginseng, the kind of ginseng we have is the ginseng planted in the volcanic soil of New Zealand na ang maturity age niya is 10 years. So, ganun katagal na tinanim yun bago i-harvest. No? Mukha lang siyang pangsigang pero mahal yan. No? So, naalala ko, one of the best na niya is to enhance memory. So, yung pinag-aralan ko, isa sa pinakamaganda niyang effect, ang pinaka-common injury sa matatanda, fall, na nahuhulog. Kasi hindi na coordinated, clumsy, Kasi yung motor, ang mga reflexes niya mabagal. Memory mabagal. Kasi sa ating ano yun, memory, motor and sensory function. Ang ginagawa ng ginseng, parang nililinis niya yun. No? Kaya ang memory para magiging sharp ulit, magiging active ulit. Kaya tingnan mo po yung mga Chinese or yung mga Korean, Japanese na mahilig sa ginseng. No? Magaling sila sumayaw, no? Coordinated sila kahit matanda na. So isa yan. Then we have axertone. Axertone is a type of mushroom. No? It is considered, yung linzi ang tawag, immortality herb ng Japanese. No? Ang ano naman niya, function, this contains yun na polysaccharides, ito technical. Pero in layman's term, this is used to strengthen yung structures ng ating mga cells. So it will not easily collapse. No? Kaya dito po, this will offer repair, yung dalawa. This one will strengthen the structure. Ginseng will stimulate yung ating motor and sensory sa ating nervous system. Nuclear calbem offers detoxification, anti-inflammatory. Di po ba maganda? Yes! And it is patented by Rio International. No other supplement in the world. No? So what is the purpose of taking supplement? No? Siyempre not every day, kung sige tayo, we live next door to Jollibee or McDo, wala talaga tayong pang supplement ng mga vitamins, minerals, no? Used to protect us from viruses, no? Lalo ngayon, tumataas na ulit ang COVID, no? Detoxification offered by our antioxidant na mga ano. But the most important here, the highlights is yung regeneration and repair. We are the only supplement that could offer this one. So, ang target kasi ni Railway, you have only to take one single product for all your health concern. No? Kasi bakit? Maraming magagandang produkto, but you have to take something for your eye, optin, something for your liver aid. And this will also contains more preservatives. That's why, ito at least isa lang. No? Our product, ito po yung kabuuang ingredients niya. 14 precious ingredients in one capsule. No? So I have discussed yung 5. Ito na lang fucoidan, brown seaweed. It offers anti-tumors, no? Within 24 hours. Mababasa niyo po ito in Japanese ano din eh. This is a Japanese seaweed that offers anti-tumor, no? Anti-oxidant. Then apple extract, it will help boost your immune system, no? An apple a day keeps a doctor away. But don't you know that I avoid apple? Because my wife is a doctor. Curly. Then tomato extract, no? Antioxidant din. Marine collagen, anti-wrinkles, no? Ladies in their, anti-wrinkles. Pwede ka kayong, dito pa lang yung no-buy, gusto na bumili. But the most important function of marine collagen, it will strengthen yung ating tendons, ligaments. Yun ang nag-maintain ng integrity ng ating mga joints. No? Then evening primrose, yung mga near menopausal, maganda po ito, hormonal imbalance. It will help regulate hormones. No? Mood natin is governed by hormones, hunger, thirst, yan. Then squalene, parang ano to fish oil, same as ganon. No? Then avocado oil, avocado is considered as superfood. Borage oil, it will help maintain and nourish yung ating mga blood vessels, no? Sa lungs natin, lining ng lungs, prostate sa mga lalaki, no? Aloe vera, it will help doon sa may mga tawag itong mga eczema, mga hika, allergies, no? Yeah. So with one capsule, ito po yung lahat ng content, no? So, we are very lucky that this company, no, that provides atin ito, and they come to the Philippines as the first market, no? Kasi, looking at this, no, medyo nakakalungkot na tignan. Number 1 parati si cardiovascular disease, no? Disease of the heart, the blood vessels. In fact, hypertension is considered as inflammation of your mga blood vessels. Ang I believe kasi, the heart is the center of our, sa lahat, no? You can throw away your brain, but you can still live, no? But throw away your heart, mahirap, no? You are God, no? Minsan, pag walang brain, nai-elect pa. So, hindi, nakakapanood sa YouTube. About YouTube, no? Magiging politiko kayo. Yes. So looking at this, no? This is 2019 worldwide cause of death, cardiovascular, regardless of race, creed, no? Mapamayaman ka o mahirap, iba lang yung pangalan, but still you have these diseases, no? Ang pinaka-mababa, natural disaster, no? So, ladies and gentlemen, do you think the product is good?
Yes!
Really?
Yes!
Do you think a good product can make a successful company?
Yes!
Product alone?
No!
Yes. Yes, no?
No!
Yeah. For me, it is in between, but most likely no. Because a product alone, placed in the bad company, it will not succeed. But thanks to Reway, no, they placed a good product in a much more beautiful system. That's what makes this company successful. How many years in the market? 2008. And we only have one product. No? So if you want to know more about the system, since I have discussed the product already, go to the person who invited you later. No? If you're the person who invited you, do not know about the system, you too, come to me, ha? So, ladies and gentlemen, that's all your presentation. Thank you very much.